What's up guys, welcome back to my new RC video here today. And now I'm going to drive the Arrma Kraton 6S EXP with some modifications. Okay, so the first one is we got M2C upgrades here, and we got double chassis here. Double chassis is like double strings, and we got RPM arms. And beautiful weather today, so this will be so cool. And just a normal car. Let's read. Okay, so today we're going to drive on 6S. You can see it here. It's a Genesis 5,000 milliamps 6S. Let's turn the baby on. Yeah, I know this video is a little bit short, but I will see you next time in another video very soon. Like and subscribe for more of these things. Yeah, see ya. Bye.